boys. I'm allowed to say those on YouTube. Big news! High five me through your screen. Kinda lame, my bad. Kiss me through your phone if you will. That joke's not helping you, Brad. Shut up, soldier boy! Probably one of the most sus rap lyrics of all time. Boys, I told you last video, if you guys didn't watch, go watch that video, sick video. We got demonetized on YouTube for whatever reason. If you guys actually want a video of why I got demonetized on YouTube, which means I don't make any more money off my videos anymore, I can do that if there's enough comments down below. But I've been trying to get it back with my network, bro, for the past like 5 days, which is why I haven't been posting it all much. Like, I've been just like in contact all day long. Bro, they got it back. Finally monetized on YouTube again. I can get my bag back. It's not all about the money, but if I want to keep buying stupid shit from online for you guys to like look at, and you know, I kind of need that money, you know what I mean? Anyway, she's back, boys. Thank you so much for all your support. It meant the world to me, really. I got so many DMs. Once again, if you want a video on it, that's dope. I think probably allowed to talk about it now. I don't know if I was ever not allowed to, but now it's safe. And once again, shout out my network. Fucking NBA playmakers, man. They killed it. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Vapes are lame, boys. Don't do it. So boys, I got a new addiction to tell you about. Crack. Just kidding. No, besides my recent addiction of buying like a bad amount of basketball cards for a bad amount of money, I've been shopping freaking, what's it called, AliExpress lately for like a lot of bad amount of money. You know, they really work for you. They got a lot of cool stuff on their website that's very cheap, but you never really know what you're getting. And we're gonna get into that real quick. First off, thank you guys so much for the support. Are we gonna bring it back? I haven't done this in a few videos. If you guys want to win this watch right here, all you gotta do is thumbs up, comment down below. My Instagram's right there. Just message me once you did that. Once we get 1,000 thumbs up within the day, we're giving away this watch. We've been trying forever. Boys, you can do it. Just like do it. You know what I mean? 1,000 thumbs up within the day. Cool. Before we get started with this video, got a quick word from our sponsors over at Manscaped. We love them a lot. God, have they saved my balls. And I wouldn't lie to you guys, man. The amount of times I spent sitting on the floor in my room looking at my freshly torn nutsack after a devastating accident with a razor is not only terrifying but embarrassing, especially when your girlfriend walks in the room. That one's kind of hard to explain. Luckily for me and you guys now, I was introduced to Manscaped. With a slogan like your balls will thank you, man, you know they're there for the boys. And I'm very excited to show you guys the newest product on their line, keeping your bits inside of you. Your balls are better together, not one on the floor after a shaving accident. I introduced to you the Lawnmower 4.0. I'm talking the supercar shavers, man. And with the supercar shavers, hopefully you have a good package to come with it. But of course, it's on the inside that counts. Said no one ever, but in this case, it's very true. Check out this absolute beauty, boys. One press on, one press off. You can see the LED light system in this product. And listen to that. We're talking virtually no sound, boys. We don't need the family knowing that we're going in the washroom to shave our nuts. Now, there's a lot of words I can use to describe the engineering they put into this puppy, but I don't really know how to read them nor say them. I'm just gonna leave with a question. Have you ever ripped your sack? Well, I have. Twice. Of course, it's an awful experience we all want to avoid, which is why we actually want a quality razor. The Lawnmower 4.0 features ceramic blades plus skin-safe technology. In my terms, I mean, think of your nuts as like an eggshell. You know what I mean? You don't want to crack the eggshell and have everything spill out. You want to keep the eggshell intact. This is what the nice ceramic blades are going to do for you. They're going to keep you protected, and your Tinder date's not going to come at you with a bunch of questions trying to get you tested because it doesn't look so sick down there. Lawnmower also allow you to cut to your preferred length. 4 different sizes of guards. Super easy to use, quick snap on. You can choose the length that you want to cut and just go from there. Go to town, really. Now, what happens when your ceramic blade gets a little old? You know, everything wears out, right? At one point, you're going to want to replace your blade. Manscaped makes it extremely easy for you guys. When you select the peak hygiene plan, as you see right here, when ordering your Manscaped product, you can get your replacement super easily, boys. And you also have all the power in the world to choose what products are included in your peak hygiene plan. You see that one right there? You want to get it? Well, get it. You know what I mean? Just like it's a brainer. Just buy it. It also comes with a platinum warranty. All I can say is join over 2 million people who are already with Manscaped. Act right now. Get 20% off plus free international shipping while using code NameBran20 at manscaped.com. And the only thing that makes sense to say further is, hey man, your balls will thank you, but twice because you have 2 of them. Thank you so much, Brad. Boys, today we're unboxing what I hope is a perfect replica of the most expensive chain ever made. Wow, right here. This guy right here is called BBC Nigo. If you guys want a little more background, I did a little research. I think he founded Bape, which is a giant clothing brand. And then later on or something like that, he started BBC, Billionaire Boys Club, another clothing brand, and ice cream with Pharrell. The dude's apparently, and I actually asked some of my jeweler friends about this info, apparently this guy's got the most expensive chain in the world. world, one I just showed you guys. Well, I was on AliExpress the other day shopping for videos, trying to find some stuff that most companies haven't put out yet, because AliExpress, I mean, like, they're like way ahead of everything, you know what I mean? Quality sucks most of the time, and they really jip you, but just because I'm seeing this package and a little bit mad about it. But anyway, where was I at? Anyway, I was on AliExpress. I saw this picture right here. Okay, if you're looking at the package and what they promoted, this was literally the picture of what they showed on AliExpress that I was buying. It was 115 bucks. Thought, you know, like, maybe we'll give it a try. The one thing you need to know is AliExpress with their pictures on their website, a lot of times it's not what you're actually gonna get, and this was the only picture they had of the product. So I'm like, I'm gonna give it a go. We gotta buy this thing. Once I found out it's the most expensive chain ever, or like, I don't know, some people say that, I'm pretty sure it's factual. Then I was like, dude, well, I'll just give it a go and see what they sent me, and what they sent me isn't that sick. Looking, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but hey man, we had to give it a go. The package is right here. Without further ado, that's what they promoted. This is what I got. So I'm hoping from this picture there, we got maybe like a bunch of little pieces, like it's clearly small. I hope it's just still like a perfect replica though, you know what I mean? It was something I had to check out, boys. So without further ado, let's get into the most expensive replica jewelry chain of all time. Replica thing. God damn. Gotta breathe more, dude. I'm winded. Me, boys. Okay, just scroll through my phone of what I bought through that link. They did have another picture of what I got. I just saw it. It's not even a surprise anymore. I was an idiot. Boys, I didn't scroll. I guess I shop stoned every time when shopping for videos. Don't promote it, but I do. I didn't scroll to the next picture, apparently. I was super adamant that, that I was not in the wrong here. Okay, let's get into this package, boys. Now that I already know what we got, I have no excitement for this video, because I know I fucked up. We're not getting mad, though. Let's keep the... It's not even the one I wanted, bro. Look at the picture one more time, guys. I wanted the dog, if anything. The dog looks sick. I think that's the BBC ice cream dog. Then you got the ice cream cone down below, and if I remember correct, then you got the money sign. I don't want the money sign. I don't want the ice cream cone. I want the dog. It looks sick. We got the fucking ice cream cone. See, a lot of people try to call BS on my videos of like, bro, you can't be this dumb. I am. I literally am not faking this. That's what I bought for $115. I swear to God, if I would have researched the damn thing, I could have bought it for, first off, a lot cheaper off AliExpress and probably bigger too. I at least just wanted a big piece. That's why I was so bummed out about this. We got the BBC ice cream cone, or is it the ice cream cone? I don't know. I don't care. Boys, I screwed this up. I'm still gonna put up the video because I feel like my screw-ups are just what makes my channel me. Frickin', you have no idea how just flabbergasted my girlfriend gets every time I screw up multiple times a day. Brian, how do you even make this possible to screw up this much? I don't know! Boys, it's bad. It's just, it's not bad. It's not bad. Boys, there's your damn piece. You guys let me know what you think about this damn piece. Should we diamond test her real quick, boys? See if she passes, eh? Psych! Swing and a miss. Damn it. There goes my fake marble table. Screw you. Awful, bad, stupid, stupid. Well, I feel better. Appreciate you guys for watching. Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Next video is not going to be crap. I don't think. Well, who knows. Bye.